Today we're diving deep into the world of seduction and age dynamics. You might have noticed younger women acting a certain way around you, or maybe you're just curious about the signs. Well, there are particular things, gestures, hints that younger women might resort to, especially when they're genuinely attracted to an older man. Curious to find out? Let's uncover these subtle cues and dive into what they really mean. 1. Complimenting subtly. When she begins to sprinkle compliments into your conversations, take note. It's not just about flattery. Remarks about your style, your wisdom, or the distinguished charm that often accompanies maturity are her way of highlighting what she specifically admires in older men. So, when she comments on how you carry yourself or the depth of your conversations, understand it's her appreciating those unique qualities that set you apart from her younger counterparts. 2. Touching their neck or collarbone. Watch her hands and where they wander. If she often touches her neck or collarbone in your presence, it's more than just a casual gesture. These areas are sensitive and very personal. By drawing attention there, she's subtly showcasing her vulnerability and sensuality. It's as if she's silently telling you, "Look, I trust you enough to reveal these intimate parts of myself." Keep an eye out for this delicate sign, as it speaks volumes about her attraction towards you. 3. Laughing, genuinely. We're not talking about polite giggles here. When she genuinely laughs at your anecdotes, jokes, or maybe even your innocent blunders, it indicates she's truly enjoying your company. This laughter is her way of bridging any age gap and fostering an intimate environment between the two of you. It's a clear sign she's comfortable and potentially attracted to the person behind the stories, that is, you. 4. Light touches. Physical intimacy doesn't always start with grand gestures. More often than not, it's the subtle touches that signal growing attraction. If she finds reasons to touch your arm, back, or shoulder, even briefly, she's making a move, whether she realizes it or not. It's her way of feeling closer, of silently stating, "I want to be near you." These fleeting touches can carry the weight of profound intent, suggesting she's eager to bridge the physical distance between you. 5. Wearing perfume. Ever caught a sudden, enchanting scent when she's around? It's no accident. When a younger woman selects a specific fragrance, especially one that's alluring and sensual, it's often with you in mind. She might occasionally lean in during conversation, subtly inviting you to take notice. It's an intimate gesture, one that says, "I want to leave a lasting impression on you." The next time you detect that captivating aroma, know that it might be her secret way of getting closer to your senses. 6. Sharing personal stories. If she starts opening the book of her life, chapter by chapter, to you, it's a sign of trust and a desire for deeper intimacy. Sharing stories about her dreams, past relationships, or even challenges allows her to create an emotional bridge to you. It's her way of saying, "I want you to know the real me." By letting you in, she's hoping to foster a connection that transcends age, binding you both with shared understanding and empathy. 7. Prolonged eye contact. Have you ever noticed her eyes lingering on yours just a tad longer than you'd expect? That's not just casual interest. When a younger woman maintains prolonged eye contact with you, it's often her silent way of expressing a deeper connection. It's a bold move, signaling both curiosity and intent. Remember, eyes can communicate feelings that words might shy away from. So, next time she locks eyes with you, recognize it as the powerful, intimate gesture that it is. 8. Being a tease. Engaging in lighthearted banter and maintaining a playful, flirtatious edge can be her way of building sexual tension. It's a dance of words, one where she's inviting you to join her in a game of verbal ping-pong. If you find her teasing you or playfully challenging you in conversation, she's likely trying to provoke a reaction and relishes the fun, engaging dynamic she shares with you. 9. Expressing admiration. When she speaks of your accomplishments or past experiences with a tone of genuine respect, it's not merely out of politeness. Younger women who are genuinely interested often find themselves drawn to the richness of your life's journey. They see in you a mosaic of experiences they've yet to encounter, and expressing admiration is their way of acknowledging the depth and breadth of your story. It's her subtle hint saying, "I'm impressed by the man you've become." 10. Asking for your opinion. Have you noticed her frequently seeking your viewpoint on various topics? It's more than just casual conversation. when she values your insight and perspective. She's signaling a deep respect for the wisdom you've accrued over the years. Each time she asks, "What do you think?" she's letting you know that in a world full of fleeting chatter, your words hold weight in her eyes. 11. Showcasing their youthful energy. If she's playfully challenging you, dragging you to dance, or eagerly introducing you to the latest trends or hits, she's not just sharing her world, she's inviting you in. Through her exuberant energy, she's highlighting the invigorating dynamic between the two of you, the delightful blend of seasoned maturity and youthful vivacity. It's her way of saying, "Let me add a splash of color to your canvas." 12. Lingering closeness. Physical proximity can be a powerful tool of seduction. If she tends to stand a touch closer, sit beside you in a way where your arms might graze, or lingers just a bit during those goodbyes, it's intentional. By entering your personal space, she's blurring the boundaries, creating an intimate atmosphere where words might falter, but feelings speak volumes. 13. Playing with their hair. Ever caught her twirling a strand of her hair or brushing it back subtly as she converses with you? This isn't just a simple habit. When a younger woman is fixated on you, playing with her hair becomes an unconscious flirtation technique. Each twirl and tuck is her way of drawing attention, perhaps hoping you'll notice not just the act, but the allure behind it. It whispers, "I want to be at my best for you." 14. Showing vulnerability. When she lays bare her uncertainties or fears, it's more than just sharing, it's an invitation. By revealing her vulnerabilities, she's signaling a deep level of trust. She seeks not just your ear, but your guidance, wisdom, and the comfort that only an older man like you can provide. It's her silent plea, saying, "Can you be my anchor amidst these storms?" 15. Mimicking your movements. Have you ever noticed her unconsciously mirroring your actions? Maybe she takes a sip of her drink, just as you do, or adopts a similar posture. This synchronicity isn't mere coincidence. Mimicking is a subconscious sign of deep attraction, her body's way of saying, "We're in tune." It's as if every gesture of yours resonates with her, amplifying the chemistry between you two. 16. Showing genuine interest. When she probes deeper into your world, asking about your passions, hobbies, or even the small anecdotes from your past, it's not just small talk. She genuinely wishes to know the man behind the stories. Her attentive gaze and keen questions reveal an earnest curiosity. Each time she leans in, eyes sparkling, absorbing your words, she's letting you know, "Your world fascinates me, and I want to be a part of it." 17. Dressing to impress. Ever notice her appearing particularly radiant or fetching whenever you're around? It isn't mere coincidence. When a younger woman is drawn to you, she instinctively wants to put her best foot forward. That little black dress, those heels, or even that touch of makeup, all chosen meticulously to catch your eye. Each time she does, it's her silent message saying, "I made this effort, hoping you'd notice." 18. Giving you special attention. Amidst a buzzing room, if you feel her gaze fixated on you or find her gravitating towards your conversations, it's a sign, making you feel significant, as if you're the center of her universe, even amidst a crowd, is her way of making her interest clear. When she hangs on to your every word or laughs a tad louder at your jokes, she's whispering, "To me, right now, you're the only man that matters." 19. Dropping hints. If she often talks about that new restaurant in town, that movie she's eager to watch, or that concert she's been excited about, pay heed. By dropping such hints, she's subtly extending an invitation, hoping you'd step up and make plans. Each mention is a gentle nudge, suggesting, "Wouldn't it be great if we experienced this together? I wish you'd take the lead." 20. Maintaining an aura of mystery. She might share stories, smile at your anecdotes, or even laugh at your jokes, but there's always a part of her she holds back, a mystery she doesn't completely unveil. This isn't her playing games, it's her ensuring you remain intrigued. Every time she leaves you with a teaser, a story half told, or a secret smile, she's beckoning you closer, enticing you with the allure of the unknown. Armed with these insights, what's your next step? Check out the signs a younger woman is sexually attracted to you, or master the body language signs a younger woman is into you. Thanks for watching. If you found this insightful, leave a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.